The city's household hazardous waste depot, currently under construction, now has a targeted opening date of early July. A severe winter has resulted in delays of paving and other construction. In the meantime, please check the Resource Productivity and Recovery Authority page, or RPRA, for places in the area to drop hazardous materials. Some great activities for families, youth, children during March break. Check out a variety of drop-ins at the city's rec facilities in Vista, Artillery Park, Rideau Heights, and Kingston East community centres, including skating, shinny, and open gym. Details at cityofkingston.ca/play. And speaking of skating, the community rinks that are run by Public Works are now closed for the season. Crews from that department, meanwhile, are busy filling potholes in different parts of the community. If you know of one that needs attention, check the Report a Pothole section on the city's website. Highlights from Kingston City Council. Following a presentation and lengthy discussion, a decision was made to include an online voting option in the upcoming municipal election. Council also agreed to affirm the importance of funding English language classes for newcomers. Also, direct city staff to research existing windrow service programs. That's the snow left at the end of driveways during snow clearing operations, to see if any would work in Kingston, and ask staff to review best practices elsewhere on options for an air conditioning unit program to support vulnerable people with medical conditions. Lots more on the council page, cityofkingston.ca. Two very important documents to Kingston's future are now available for public view and comment. Second draft of the new official plan, plus a draft copy of the Natural Heritage Study. Your feedback is needed on these materials that will ultimately help guide how the city grows and changes to the year 2051. The city would also like to hear from Kingston and Frontenac families about your experiences with childcare and early years programs. Find both those projects at Get Involved Kingston. Thank you for watching. I'm JC Kenny.